How many brains does an octopus have? 8, 9 or 7? The right option is 9. How many permanent teeth does a dog have? 21, 31 or 41? A dog has 41 permanent teeth. What is the slowest animal in the world? Snail, three-toed sloths or caterpillar? The right option, three-toed sloths. How many years a snail can sleep? 3 years, 4 years or 5 years? The right option is a snail can sleep for 3 years. How many eyes a honeybee have? 3 eyes, 4 eyes or 5 eyes? A honeybee have 5 eyes. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3, 4 or 5? So an octopus have 3 hearts. How many compartments does a cow's stomach have? 3, 4 or 5? So a cow stomach have 4 compartments. How many bones does a shark have? 200, 230 or none? The right option is none. A shark has no bones. Thanks for watching. For more updates and tutorials, please follow and subscribe the study of MCQs.